let's take a look at measures of dispersions. There are few methods to measure dispersions. So there are four. First one, variance. Second one, standard deviations. These two we learned previous of the topic. And then the third and fourth one will be range and interquartile range. So what is range? Range is the largest value minus smallest value. Alright? The largest value of a set of theta minus the smallest value of the set of theta. Right? Then we will get the range. So how about interquartile range? So in interquartile range there will be Q1, Q2, Q3. Alright? So this one we call it first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. And this second quartile is what we learned previously is median, which is the middle term of a set of theta. Then how about Q1 and Q3, first and third quartile, right? The first quartile is the middle term in between the smallest and medium. The third quartile is the median term between the median and the largest term. Alright? So let's take a look at this example. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This is a set of data. So there will be 8 terms. So let's look for Q1, Q2, and Q3. Alright? So we look for Q2 first because Q2 is the middle term of this set of data. Alright? So 8. Middle term is T n plus 1 divided by 2, right? So median is equal to T n plus 1 divided by 2. Right? 8 term. 8 plus 1 divided by 2 is 4.5. So term 4.5. So which is here. This will be the median, or we call it Q2, second quartile. So Q2 is equal to 4 plus 5 divided by 2 will be 4.5. Alright? Then let's look for the first quartile. So smallest to the median is the center. Alright? So this is the Q1. 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is 2.5. Right? The first quartile will be 2.5. The third quartile will be the mid-term in between the median and the largest term. So which is here. This is the Q3. 6 plus 7 divided by 2 is 6.5. Now, let's take a look at these questions. We are asked to find the range and the interquartile range for these. Alright? So, first of all, let us rearrange the arrangement in ascending order, meaning from smallest to largest. Alright? Smallest, 1. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright? So it is in ascending order. Smallest to biggest. Alright? So the range will be the largest minus the smallest. 15 minus 1 will be 14. Right? So now let's look for the interquartile range. First, let's look for Q2. Q2 is the median, meaning the middle term. So there will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So it will be T 9 plus 1 divided by 2 will be 10 divided by 2 is T5. The fifth term will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 7. This is the Q2. Alright? Then let's look for Q1 and Q3. So Q1, the middle term of here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? 4 half will be 4 plus 5 divided by 2 is 4.5. Alright? The middle here is in between 4 and 5. Alright? Is Q1. Q3, middle of this. Alright? In between 8 and 15. So the middle will be in between 9 and 12. Will be 9 plus 12 divided by 2. 9 plus 12 will be 21. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. So the interquartile range will be interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 9.5. Q1 is 4.5. So we get 6. So the range for this question is 14 and the interquartile range will be 6. Alright? If you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain it to you.